look so crazy. I can't stop looking at myself. I look like a different person. Ah! What's up, DIY babes? So me and I are doing a little wig shopping right now. I've still got the lace front thing happening right now because they trim it once you cut it. This is not the blonde that I'll ever get to without frying all my hair off. Oh my god. I actually love this wig, it's so cute. Mia's going ham, she's buying like 3. This is what our day consists of so far. So weird. God, to have this long of hair. I feel like Sarah Jane Betts right now. Sarah, if you went like platinum, this would be your hair. Yo, I don't know if that's it. I don't know if that's the one. I don't know if that's the one. Also, I was like admiring my wig over here and then I looked at the back and I was like, oh cool, what's that like nasty tail hanging out? Yo, this one's so good. Hello, now it's Remy. Content, baby, content. Oh my gosh, bangs. This is so weird. I feel like I spent my entire high school life growing out my bangs and now we back. Whoa. This is just, wow. What? What is happening? Do I look like Asian Kylie Jenner yet? You literally have been 19 different people in my vlog in the first minute. This is like literally personality 14. Whoa. Honestly, I probably would have gone this blonde at some point if my hair wouldn't crap out. This is so crazy. Is this too blonde for me? So these ones are real hair, so you can actually style them and like move the parts and stuff, but I really like the root. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. They're also so expensive. Literally though, who are we? I feel like Khaleesi.
I feel like I look like I'm about to jack your car.
Seriously, look how long this is. Thumbnail.
I just had a moment.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm not even vlogging today, but I just need to show you this masterpiece because I am so proud. So I'm here with Brandon and Art, my stylist, and we just had a baking bonanza. Wait, what is going on with my eyelash right now? What is happening here? Oh no, did I just lose it? Oh my, I'm just like putting cake grease. Okay, I'm gonna show you the final results while I put cake grease on my face. Guys, what in the actual heck? We made a rainbow cake. Oh my gosh, and it like actually tastes good too. Look how cute it is. Oh my god. Also, I didn't have like an actual cake thing, so we made it in a brownie tin. So pretty. Pinterest who? Tasty who? And also we made cupcakes, but these are just like the same ones that I made on Valentine's Day that you guys saw in the vlog. But are you kidding me?
You know, I
it's
think
so
we
moist.
did marble next time.
Yeah, marble next time. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to like go ham next time even harder. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys, and sorry, I'm just like resting my head on my shoulder. Ah, the puppy's all puppy. So me and I are headed to what area of LA?
Like Elsinore.
And we are coming to see the wildflowers slash the poppies slash the orange flowers that every vlogger has come to take photos of on Instagram. And I'm so excited because I've never been, and I've lived in LA for like 4 years, and every year I miss the window that they are growing. It's usually like a week-long thing, and if you like go on a weekend, it's packed, but they're everywhere. Like, let me just show you this like mountain that we're driving by, and they're all over it. Yo truck, you're ruining the view. Look at all the flowers. Like, the mountains are literally just covered with them. So like all those like orange things, it's not burnt, it's actually flowers. Yeah, it's not diseasy. And we're out of focus. This truck is ruining everything. So that is the plan for today. And also, I keep forgetting to put this in the vlog because I don't want it to be too far in the vlog, but I have so much Tarte makeup to give away. So actually, I have a little bit of vlog footage of the 6 different little packages or groupings that I put together of Tarte stuff. So let me put that in right now. Okay, so since one human can't possibly use all of this Tarte makeup, I'm doing 6 different giveaways. I've got 6 little piles going on, and one winner will also get the little sea turtle. I just thought the packaging was too cute to separate it. It's a turtle, so cute. There's a pretty good mix of like face products, some skin stuff, eye stuff, lashes, some palettes, brushes, and obviously I can't tailor the foundation shades to every single winner, so just share with your friends because I kind of just threw in all these little minis and there's a lot of different colors. Hopefully a little bit of range for each one though, but you know, the goal was just to, you know, try and separate out into 6 little groups that were as even as possible. Okay, so if you want to win one of these 6 bundles of makeup, because I literally just like needed to go to a new home, there's so much stuff, but you can just go and comment on my most recent Instagram and leave me some flower emojis. You know, I feel like it's very suiting, it's very fitted for today. Go leave me some flower emojis and I'll be choosing 6 winners, and I will just DM you and let you know if you won or not, and I'll be announcing them on stories, maybe like 1 per day starting Wednesday. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I'll keep you guys up to date on Insta stories and Twitter and stuff, but please take my makeup. I have so much of it and I want you to have it. Okay, see you at the puppies! Oh my actual crap, what the heck? Look how pretty this is, guys. Oh, we made it! I'm dying, I'm dead, I'm dead. You dead? fucking did. You did. Also, they have like the main path, but they have like these little mini paths up the mountain as well. We're not stopping on flowers, just to clarify that. We're just following like the little mini hiking paths that are already in the hills, but this is so pretty, like I can't believe it. Also, this is why I love vlogging. Like you guys just like hang in the poppy fields with us. Just Lauren problems. I'm literally just breaking out from like my legs just touching nature. Why? Sorry for the most disgusting shot of my wrinkly knee, but like why? Why? Hi guys and happy Tuesday. It is kind of like late Tuesday night. It's definitely like 9 p.m. What the heck is going on here? Do you guys ever have the issue where your curls stick together? I feel like I have this issue all the time. Like they just clump up and become just like one giant curl. That is not the look we're going for. So it is Tuesday night and my best friend from Toronto is actually here visiting for the next couple of days. So the next couple of days of adventures are going to be super fun. We just did a little bit of grocery shopping. We got some paint supplies to do some painting for tomorrow night. So I'm super excited for her to be here and we're gonna have some fun girl time. I guess she's it's gone. Go. I feel like I did so many fun things this past week and I'm stoked about weekly vlogging. Also, I just had like a major urge to put my wig on because when I was at the wig store, I wasn't able to properly braid my hair like around my head so that it wasn't just like a big knot of a bun at the bottom of my head. So I'm gonna try and put the wig on properly. Brandon that you guys saw in the cake baking little segment, he put the wig on and it looked freaking amazing on him. So I'm so excited to put it on and see again what it looks like. I feel like 2018 was the year of wigs. Like Ava was wearing bomb wigs. I feel like Kristen Hancher, who I follow on Instagram, I feel like she wears super hot wigs. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like all the hot Insta models just wear wigs and I am not a hot Insta model. Let's get that straight. But I do like to have fun hair because I just feel like my hair also can never get past this like golden caramel color and I can never really have like super bleached blonde hair. So we just gonna do it in a wig. Oh my God. So crazy. Oh my God. It looks, especially when I go like this, like that looks so real. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, so wig experts, let me know how to fix this. I feel like it's falling really forward. Like when I lean forward, it automatically like makes me like kind of like The Grudge or something from a scary movie because it goes like really over my face. So how do I make it sit a little more natural so it goes back and not quite so forward? Also, do I kind of love this hairline? I can't stop looking at myself. I look like a different person. Wow, I wish it was natural lighting so that we could see what like my skin tone and stuff looks like with this color. It's so weird. I'm tripping out. Also, throwback to the pretty little Laura's bra top. Send me a pic if you have one of these. I wish my hair was this healthy. Like it's so soft and silky and smooth. My hair does not feel like this. It looks so weird. Who is she? I literally don't know. Like I actually don't know. I totally understand why wigs are like getting more popular at an alarming rate. Oh no, my wig cap is hanging out a little bit. I also feel like I maybe should go with like more of like a side part situation. Like once I figure out how to make it lay a little more natural. I can't stop touching it, I can't stop looking at myself. Everything's weird, everything's weird. But yeah, I feel like I should figure out a little side part situation. So this is what I look like if my hair was physically capable of going platinum blonde. Anyways, I am gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing, honestly, this is like a Mia and Lauren adventure vlog. Hashtag Leah, hashtag Morin. Oh, that's not cute. I don't know. You guys come up with a ship name for us because we went on some freaking adventures this week. Holy crap. I still have a few hives like on my finger from our adventure yesterday, but worth it. So I'm gonna leave the giveaway rules in the description box. I know I kind of just glazed over those pretty quickly while I was on the way to the poppy fields. And also the poppy field photo, that's gonna be the giveaway photo, I'm like 99% sure is already live, so you can go and comment flowers or whatever the heck I said on that one. And I look so weird. I look so weird. I was just eating dinner, but he's just being super loud about it, so that's what's happening over there if you're wondering. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. I also asked you guys on Twitter if you liked seeing weekly vlogs or if you like seeing more like main style videos. Let me know what you guys are thinking in the comments down below. But either way, I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sunday one again. That was just a mess weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
She's the DIY queen, yeah, you know what